Hello, I am Najam Hassan, Professor of Mathematics and Astronomy. Today we'll have a small session on astronomy. So what is astronomy? As you all know, astronomy is the study of celestial objects, the study of moon, sun, planets, stars, galaxies, etc. Everything which you see beyond the Earth's atmosphere, it comes in the purview of astronomy. Generally, people use two terms, astronomy and astrophysics, and they refer about to the same subject. And as you know, astronomy deals with trying to understand our solar system, understand these beautiful objects, what galaxies are. You see in this panel there are a lot of stars, and stars come in big different colors and sizes. Okay, so what is astronomy? It's one of the oldest sciences, but it's still a very active area of research. The ancients saw the sun and the stars rise and set. They noticed patterns in them. They noticed that there's a connection between seasons and the location where the sun rose on a particular day, or at what time a particular star rose. Astronomy gave us a sense of a day, month, and the year. The time taken for Earth to revolve once on its axis defines a day, which is 24 hours. The time taken by Earth to go around the Sun is about 365 days, which gives us a year. And the time it takes for Moon to go around the Earth, which is approximately 29.5 days, defines a month. There are 7 days in a week because essentially we see there are 7 naked eye celestial objects: Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. These are the 7 objects which we can see with the naked eye. And that's the only reason why week has 7 days. So in the investigations of motion of planets gave us the Newton's laws of motion, the universal law of gravity. Since we have understood gravity, we understand why these planets go around the sun. Why do they not collide with each other? Why does moon go around the earth? And understanding it well, we could put up artificial satellites. These artificial satellites are essential to us today for various things. Our cell phones work because of these communication satellites. We relay our television programs. We can order things from Amazon, Uber, etc., Swiggy, because we have these satellites which give us our location, a precise location for people to navigate and come to us. And when we look at the stars, if you go up in the night sky and look at the sky, what do you notice? What are the properties of stars that you notice? You notice that stars are of different brightness. Some stars are fainter, some stars are brighter. You also notice there's a difference in color. And astronomy tells us why it happens. Why are they different? Why do they look faint or bright? Are they really, some stars are brighter than the others, or the stars look bright because they are closer to us and the others look faint because they are further from us? Astronomy answers us all these things. Here's a picture of galaxies. Galaxies come in a variety of shapes. They have these beautiful tidal tails. They come as spiral galaxies. They come as circular, lenticular, all kinds of galaxies. Why do galaxies have different shape? Do they interact with each other? How are chemical elements formed? All these answers, they come from astronomy. When people try to explain why stars shine, they had to explain through nuclear synthesis, and nuclear energy is one source of good energy for us. So astronomy touches upon a vast variety of things. It answers some very fundamental questions about us, our existence, and what would happen to us in future. So as a team, you and us, what can we do? We can have sessions with simple observations. We can have daytime observations as well as night observations. We can learn to use astronomy software and do simple projects. We can have chat sessions where you can ask questions and we'll try to give you convincing answers. And what do we need to know? What are the prerequisites to be able to do astronomy? To study astronomy, one needs to have a knowledge of physics, mathematics, computer sciences. In fact, now all the other subjects are also becoming a part of astronomy. There's an area called astrochemistry, which tries to look into chemical elements which you find in stars or between stars. Astrobiology, where we try to look for life outside Earth. So astronomy is a vast area and there are many questions, very fascinating questions, very interesting questions and good answers to them. And let's get together and study that. I can introduce you to certain software which you can install on your cell phones or on your laptops. Like Stellarium is one where you can see the rising and setting of stars. You can notice how sun rises at different locations at different points, right? So there are many things which we can do together, provided you are interested to learn. Here we are to help you. Thank you. So